We all want to stay young, full of energy, and confident in the mirror. But aging isn't only about time, it's about chemistry. The little choices you repeat every day silently shape how your body renews itself. You might think you're eating normally. A little sugar here, a sandwich there, a quick dinner after work. But these tiny habits are what make people in their 30s look 40, and others in their 50s still look 30. Let's go through the 10 most common foods that secretly age you, and then I'll show you how to replace them without giving up taste or comfort. Refined sugar, the sweet rust inside your body. Every bite of cake, every sweetened drink causes something called glycation. It's when sugar sticks to proteins like collagen, the one that keeps your skin elastic. Once that bond forms, your skin stiffens like old rubber. That's why sugar lovers often have dull, tired skin and fine lines earlier than others. It also fuels chronic inflammation and brain fog. The more often your glucose spikes, the faster your cells lose their youthful repair speed. Fix. Don't quit sweets completely. Replace them. Use dark chocolate, fresh berries, or cinnamon. Cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar and adds sweetness without damage. 2. Processed meats, the salt and nitrate trap. Bacon, sausages, ham, and hot dogs contain nitrates and preservatives that create oxidative stress. That means more free radicals, molecules that break down your skin and blood vessels. If you wake up puffy or feel constantly tired after salty meals, this might be the reason. Fix. Replace them with lean proteins, chicken, turkey, or beans cooked in olive oil and herbs. Even 1 week without processed meat often makes your skin less bloated and your morning face sharper. 3. Trans fats, the invisible poison in crispy foods. You'll find them in margarine, donuts, fries, and packaged snacks. Trans fats cause cell membranes to harden, which slows nutrient exchange. That's why after months of eating junk food, your skin feels dry even with all the creams in the world, because the barrier itself is damaged. They also lower good cholesterol and raise the bad kind, which accelerates heart and brain aging. Fix. Read labels. If you see partially hydrogenated oil, that's trans fat. Use olive oil, avocado, or even real butter instead. Real fat in moderation is always safer than fake fat. 4. White bread and refined flour, the sugar in disguise. White bread, white pasta, pastries, they're all fast carbs. They raise blood sugar almost as quickly as candy. That sugar spike causes collagen breakdown and energy crashes. Over time, it dulls your mind too. Studies show people who eat more refined carbs have smaller memory centers in the brain as they age. Fix. Switch to whole grain, rye, or oat bread. If you want pasta, pick lentil or chickpea pasta. They keep your energy stable for hours. 5. Alcohol, dehydration in a bottle. A glass of wine is fine, but alcohol dehydrates your cells and reduces vitamin A, which your skin needs to repair itself. You'll notice it the next morning. Dull skin, dark circles, and anxiety. That's not just hangover, it's biochemical stress. Fix. Hydrate before and after drinking, 1 glass of water per drink. Try replacing your weekday wine with kombucha or sparkling lemon water. Within 2 weeks, your sleep and skin both improve noticeably. 6. Fried foods, the crispy illusion. Yes, they taste amazing. But fried foods are full of advanced glycation end products, literally named ages. They attack your skin proteins and joints. That's why your knees hurt more and skin looks rougher when fried food dominates your diet. Fix. Try air frying or oven baking. Add spices like paprika or turmeric to bring back flavor without the oil damage. Turmeric even neutralizes some oxidation. 7. Processed snacks, dehydration from the inside chips, crackers, instant noodles, salted nuts. All these are loaded with sodium and MSG. Salt pulls water from your cells, including skin cells. That's why long-term snack lovers often get wrinkles faster around eyes and lips. Fix. Eat raw nuts, seeds, and fruit slices instead. Or make popcorn at home with olive oil. Still crunchy, still satisfying, but your skin keeps its glow. 8. Artificial sweeteners, the fake friend of health. They seem harmless, 0 calories, but they trick your brain into craving more food. They also destroy healthy gut bacteria that protect your immunity and weight. A disrupted gut microbiome increases inflammation, which is one of the biggest accelerators of aging. Fix. Stevia and monk fruit are the only sweeteners proven to be gut-safe. But the best trick? Reset your taste buds. Reduce overall sweetness for 2 weeks, and you'll start enjoying natural flavors again. 9. Dairy overload. Too much of a good thing. Dairy gives calcium, yes, but in excess it clogs pores and triggers inflammation in many adults. That's why acne often returns when people drink a lot of milk after quitting for months. Also, casein in dairy raises insulin-like growth factor, which accelerates cell aging. Fix. Choose fermented dairy. Kefir, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese. They keep your gut happy without the inflammation. 10. Hidden oils. The worst kind of modern aging fuel. Cheap seed oils like sunflower, corn, and soybean oil are highly processed and oxidize easily. They are in salad dressings, sauces, snacks, and even healthy granola bars. These oils inflame the liver, skin, and heart, silently, every single day. Fix. Switch to extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil. Even better, use nuts, seeds, and fish as natural fat sources. Omega-3 from fish oil literally slows down cellular aging. Now, the 4-week reset plan. Week 1. Awareness. Write down what you eat for just 3 days. Don't judge, just notice. Then remove one thing that adds sugar or deep-fried oil. Replace it with a fruit, nut, or whole food. Week 2. Hydration. Drink 2 liters of water daily. Add electrolytes or a pinch of salt if you sweat a lot. Hydration is like oil for your internal engine. It keeps joints smooth, brain sharp, and skin hydrated. Week 3. Antioxidant power. Add 1 anti-aging food each day. Blueberries, turmeric, green tea, garlic, broccoli, or tomatoes. They fight oxidation, which is literally rust inside the body. Week 4. Regeneration. Get 78 hours of sleep, reduce alcohol, and walk daily. Movement pumps nutrients to your skin and brain. Think of it as internal skincare. Now here's the bigger truth. Aging isn't punishment. It's chemistry. When your daily input is toxic, your body defends. Inflammation, fatigue, brain fog. But once your fuel changes, your biology resets faster than you think. People notice within 2 weeks. Glowing eyes, better focus, calmer mood. That's not magic. That's your cells finally working without constant attack. So, if you've been wondering why you look tired despite sleeping well, check your plate, not your mirror. Because real anti-aging starts at breakfast.